Do you ever just wake up and you feel like it's gonna be a great day? Today is that day. Yeah, had a good night's sleep. Slept kind of early, around like 10 o'clock or so. Now we're over here at Little Virginia, over here with Richard.
Oh yeah. Got the waders on.
This is actually the first lake that he ever float to, so we're back over here. We're gonna be float tubing again. So hopefully we can find them. Hopefully we catch something. But if not, it's still a beautiful day to be out here. It's not windy. It's like glass. Check it out. Beautiful out there. All right, guys. We'll see you all out in the water. All right, it's go time. We're in the water. Now, if you guys were here, where would you go first? Comment below. Got the first one, guys. Got on a little mini jig. Let's see what it is. Hey, Richard, I got one. Oh, it's a little rainbow. Little baby. Let him go. There he goes. I was on the new Explore Nature's Catch mini jig. Picked up on another small one, guys. What is it? What is it? It's another little rainbow. Little one. And he's off. This time on the Explore Nature's Catch. It's getting really windy out here, but I'm determined to get that one big one. A lot of small ones on the mini jigs, like non-stop. So I changed to something a little larger, like the minnow. But I'm still catching the little ones with that. But alright, let's just want that one big one. I see them. So Richard got some fish. I was on the other side of the lake, so I didn't catch it. What you got?
Got me a little
Ooh,
beautiful.
it's a big brook.
Is it?
Yeah, that goes to the normal limit.
It's all jumping here. And so I'm changed to a pink
Jig.
mini jig, and I added a little mice tail.
And that was working?
Yeah, it's fine. That's working.
Alright guys, we got to our Airbnb. Let's check it out. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. We got the kitchen. What's really cool is there's like a little pond in the back. Let me open this. The rain stopped, so we can walk back here now. I'm loving this place. It's really nice. Got a little stream going. I doubt there's any fish in here, but it's still a nice view, you know? Well, let's check out the rest of this place. Got a bathroom here. Toilet. Room. I think we paid around 100 and I forgot, maybe 120 a night. I don't remember. Somewhere around there. But looking nice, guys. This is gonna be the home for the next 4 days or so. We're gonna do some cooking and some fishing, so stay tuned. We're back. After a long day of fishing, we got some short rib grilling up. Look at that. Little Korean short rib. That looks bomb. You know that looks good. Look at that sound. Sound of the sizzle. So hungry. We were fishing for like 9 hours straight. I'm looking forward to eating this. Finally, the moment has come. The food is done. The short ribs on the grill. Salt Bay. Ooh, that looks good. That's tequila and squirt. Here we go. If you only knew how tender this is. It's from Costco. Short rib, Costco.
Short rib. Most underrated cut.
Extremely tender. Got another one. Different mini jig. Dang. There it is. Exploring nature's cash minnow. Look at that. Another one. It's on the rainbow color. Tiniest fish I caught. So small.